Hello everybody and welcome to today's coding video. Today we will be putting our header and footer into different pages so we can call them dynamically. So that means if in a while we have a massive website, we can call the header and footer. If we change one file, all the other files will update. It makes it really easy to control and edit big websites. In even small websites it can be quite helpful. Let's get straight into it. First you want to right click, click create new file, type in header.php. Then right click again, create new file, footer.php. Once you've done that, open all three of the main files. Now that they're all open, we need to decide which bits of the website will go into which file. So this bit here is going to be our footer. So let's delete that, copy and delete it, and paste into there. This bit here will be a header. Let's delete it and paste it in there. So now let's save all the files by doing Ctrl S, or let's save both of them too. Now what we need to do is we need to include them. To include a file, we need to do less than bracket, question mark, and then type in the word PHP. This means that what bit we're about to type now is going to be in the language PHP. Now do include bracket, open the brackets, put the apostrophes in there, and then do header.php. This is the location of where that file was. Now we need to copy it and paste it below. Now in this bit here, we're going to type in footer. Now let's go save it and upload it back to the website. Now if we go back to the website here and we F5 the page, you can see that nothing updates. If we open it into a new tab, you can see that everything looks exactly the same. But now if we go back to our VS Code, we can open it and we can now type in whatever we want. Hello. And proof, so we can type in the file. We can also type in the footer. Let's type in F, just because exactly the alphabet. Save that. And now we can also change the title. If I save all that, come back to FileZilla, upload it back to the website, and reopen this. If we F5 it now, you can see that everything's updated. Even the title. If we look at the code by doing Ctrl U, you can see that that bit's updated, that bit's updated, and that's updated. So there we go. That is how you connect the index pages via PHP. I hope this helped. I'll see you guys next time.